The Mississauga real estate market is not as busy as it seems. Yes, we have all seen those ads where it says sold in 3 days with 300 showings and 25 offers. We have all seen those ads, and for a while, yes, that was happening, but that is not happening anymore, at least not to that extent. Now, let's start off with this stat. This stat is very bullish, but I want to share this with you because this is the stat you see on social media. And then I will present to you the other side of exactly what is going on. Now, they won't usually give you the actual percentages because it takes time to put this kind of stuff together. But generally, you will see that, hey, everything's selling above asking, and like there's a huge shortage of supply. And yes, for a while it was like February, March, April, there was nothing for sale. And not just in Mississauga, pretty much all over the place. But pretty much all over the place, new listings started coming up in May and especially June. So I'm going to show you where we stand as of June right now, end of June. So even in like the market slowing down, we are sitting at 47% of homes selling above asking. So you might be thinking, well, how's the market slowing down if those are the numbers? I'm going to show you in just 1 second. We're going to start off with the supply and demand chart right there. And you can see here, new listings are in blue. Look at where they were in March and April. That's why you were seeing so many multiple offers. There was nothing available. Look at the gap between solds are in orange, like not a big gap right here and a very small gap. That's why you were starting to see lineups outside open houses, everything else. But that has started to change, and you're not receiving the up-to-date information if someone is telling you otherwise. Look at the big jump for new listings from April to May right there. And even in June, like June was higher than May. So more and more new listings are starting to pop up on the market, which means less chaos. And less chaos means less chaotic offers. And less chaotic offers means, not as crazy higher prices. So eventually this will catch up to prices. Right now, prices are still doing fine. So if you have been kind of on the fence about selling a house and you were going to wait till like August or September, might want to think about it sooner than later, because if new listings keep going up or if the sales keep going down, I think eventually it will catch up to prices. You can see here, May was the peak of the market right now, and looks like the spring rush is over. We had fewer sales in June than we did in May. So that's not a good sign if you are a seller. A bit of hope if you are a buyer. Days on market. Right now we have over 1,300 homes for sale in Mississauga, and out of that, 839 of them have been on the market for longer than 2 weeks. And out of the 1,300, 651 of them have been on the market for longer than 3 weeks. But this is the stuff you never hear because it doesn't make the market look all that great. And 199 of them have had to change their price because they were not getting the price they were looking for. Now let's look at what is happening in prices. Prices are not doing too bad. They're down about $30,000 from May to June. But keep in mind, average prices do fluctuate a lot. So there's no guarantee this will drop to like 1.55 next month. It might not. We'll have to wait and see what happens. But that's for detached homes. Freehold townhouses, they dropped quite a bit. Actually, they went from 1.16 to 1.01. So that's a sizable drop. Condos don't really fluctuate too much. A lot of them, you will see that even all over throughout the year, they might fluctuate between 50 to 60,000 up and down, up and down. And right now we are sitting at $636,000. So let me know, what do you guys think? Is the market still crazy? Is it really busy? Are you still seeing lineups outside open houses? Are you still seeing like houses selling with 30 offers? Personally, me, I know 100% houses are selling above asking. I know people are still doing multiple offers. That has kind of become the common practice. Whether that goes away as the market slows down or not, we'll have to wait and see. But I don't think it's as crazy as what was happening in April. I think it had already started to come down in May, which is when I was making my videos saying that the market is slowing down. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.